Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You need level 12 and East Wing unlocked because the restricted badge gate checks both. Once done, equip a lockpick set, flashlight, and the guest lanyard. These bypass surveillance checks and visible scanners. Talk to the janitor NPC by the fountain and accept his side task. Doing so opens a timed window to access the supply room. Make sure to pick up the maintenance clipboard he mentions. It's the key to the badge lock sequence later. Once the supply room door triggers, move quickly to the terminal. You'll need the clipboard codes. Enter 4-1-3 and hold interact for 2 seconds to override the local lock. This is slower than a simple hack, but prevents alarm escalation. Make sure to time your camera windows. Crouch in half-second bursts to slip between camera cones and avoid alerting guards. If a guard approaches, break line of sight and use a smoke grenade. It gives you a 6-8 second safe window to finish. You finish by opening the locked cabinet and grabbing the restricted access badge. That cabinet only opens after a successful override. Next, swipe the badge at the security desk and select temporary, then permanent. This sequence registers your badge without alerting HQ systems. If the alarm does trip, do not run, immediately reboot the nearest console using the red wrench item you picked up earlier. That reboot clears the lockdown in about 12 seconds and prevents the spawn of.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.